Welcome to our channel. If you want to add a checked bag to your American Airlines reservation, follow these step-by-step instructions to avoid higher fees at the airport and ensure smooth check-in. Step 1. Visit the American Airlines website at aa.com or open the American Airlines mobile app on your smartphone. Have your confirmation number ready to access your reservation. Step 2. Click on My Trips or Manage Trips and enter your confirmation number and last name to retrieve your flight reservation details. Step 3. Once your reservation is displayed, look for the Add Bags or Manage Bags option. This is typically found in the trip details section near your passenger information. Step 4. Select the number of bags you want to check for each leg of your journey. American Airlines allows you to add up to 10 bags per person, though most travelers only need 1 or 2. Step 5. Review the baggage fees associated with your checked bags. The cost varies based on your destination, fare class, and elite status. First bag is usually $25 to $35 for domestic flights. Step 6. Enter your payment information to purchase the baggage allowance. Paying online in advance is typically cheaper than paying at the airport check-in counter or gate. Step 7. Complete the purchase and save your confirmation. You'll receive an email receipt showing that checked bags have been added to your reservation. Step 8. At the airport, proceed to the check-in counter or self-service kiosk with your bags. Your prepaid baggage will be noted in your reservation, allowing for quick processing. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.